Well, I think it's probably time that we had an update. Well, g'day everybody, welcome back. It's probably time we had a bit of an update. Just doing some pre-trip checks for basket case because I go to Phillip Island on Tuesday. Today's Saturday. I leave on Tuesday. So I'm just doing an oil change, gap and replace the spark plugs, check the timing, make sure the timing chain's been tensioned, check my middle drive, rear drive oil, tyre pressures, that kind of thing, just to check the brakes, just the usual pre-trip inspections. And then I'm going to fit the luggage to it, and I'll be on the Spirit of Tasmania on Tuesday night, doing a couple of little day trips in Victoria and then winding up at Phillip Island for the Island Classic. GS1000, I've done nothing. The only thing I can tell you is that the tank and the rear cowl and the side covers have gone off to get a coat of paint. So that's where we're at with that one, and we'll get back on it soon. In other news, I sold my CB450. I made the heart-wrenching decision. It was a bike I never thought I'd ever sell, but we basically needed the money. So I've passed it on to a new custodian. It's gone to Melbourne to a new owner, and hopefully he's every bit as happy with that bike as I was. There was a lot of back and forward, and I ended up putting this little video together for him to help sell the bike. Right, CB450. She's been sitting for a while. Probably got stale fuel. I haven't started this bike since about September, October 2018. Yeah, there's fuel in there. Don't know how fresh it is. What I normally do is have the engine in the off on the run switch and open the throttle about halfway, give it a few good kicks, and then turn the engine run switch to the on position, no throttle. There you go, she fired straight up. Alright, so I'll just need to go and warm it up, because at the moment it's stone motherless cold. So I'll just take it for a little ride and warm it up. Okay, second gear. Third gear, fourth gear. Uh, 60 mile an hour, or 100 kilometers an hour. So, the bike's dirty. I haven't washed it, so the mirrors are filthy, and it's not that I don't care about, it's just been sitting in the shed, and but well, you know, she's just a lovely little bike. You can hear her idling, lovely. You just sort of feel for equal pressure, which it's got, and that's adjusted on these idle screws here either side. And at the end of the day, because he was buying it sight unseen, in good faith, so if that's what it takes to get it sold, that's what it takes. Anyway, that's it. Just wrap it up here. Just a quick update, just to let you know I haven't fallen off the face of the earth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you next time on Andy's Motorcycle Obsessions. Bye for now.